Welcome to Banking Khabar. This new video includes the topic which is important for the exam of Agriculture Development Bank of Nepal, and the topic is role of Agriculture Development Bank Limited in economic development of nation, and the topic goes like this. First of all, let us discuss about Agriculture Development Bank Limited. And the Agriculture Development Bank Limited was established in 1968 under the ADBN Act 1967 as successor to the cooperative bank, with the main objective of providing institutional credit for enhancing the production and productivity of agricultural sector in Nepal. The enactment of Bank and Financial Institution Act, that is BAFIA, abolished the ADBN Act 1967. Since then, the bank has been working as a public limited company and is licensed as A-class financial institution by Nepal Rastra Bank from 2006. Now, this bank is one of the leading commercial bank of country with its investment in agriculture, industry, trade, commerce and households. We all know that banking sector plays a very important role in enhancing the overall economic growth of the country. And with the globalization, privatization and liberalization, banking sector plays a very important role to minimize the challenges created by these kind of factors and also provide the opportunities. Now let us discuss about the role played by Agriculture Development Bank, and which goes like this. Being the Agriculture Development Bank, it works by prioritizing the agriculture and deprived sectors, specifically in rural areas, along with other activities. It plays an important role in maintaining the sound economic condition of the country and perform the activities which contribute to the environmental stability and overall improvement of living standard in Nepal. And it helps in the efficient mobilization of resources or capital. This can be done by accepting the deposit from the public which they held unused. They remain unused with the public, and this can be used in or investment can be done in business and industries or other productive sectors, which helps to uplift the economic condition of the country. In other words, it helps to mobilize the capital from unproductive sector to productive sector, to make the investment in deficit sector by mobilizing the capital remaining at surplus sector, that is the money or the capital which is unused in the deficit sector, unused in the at the surplus sector, can be again be invested back in the deficit sector, and this helps to uplift the living standard of the people in rural areas, to which increase the purchasing power of such people and ultimately helps in the economic development of the country. It also plays a very important role in development of economic condition and creation of business environment by providing non-funded facilities like bank guarantee, letter of credit, etc. They provide the facility of bills of exchange, bank draft, telegraphic transfer, letter of credit as medium of making the international payment, and this kind of services helps to increase the international trade. Similarly, Agriculture Development Bank nowadays provide the modern banking facilities like mobile banking, ATM, internet banking, POS machine, and this kind of facilities reduces the effort of people to go to the bank for making various kind of banking transaction, which they can do by sitting at their own place. And facilities of fund transfer, top-up payment, bill payment, ticketing, check request, mini statement, etc. can be obtained through mobile banking, which reduces the burden of the customer as well as save their valuable time. In the same way, it helps to uplift the economic status of the people at rural areas by extending the banking facilities at every local level as well as at very remote and rural areas where there are no other bank and financial institution. And developing the banking habit of people, which is most important thing, every people are being given the knowledge about how to make the saving or how to make the deposit, and this kind of activities helps in developing the banking habit of people by expanding their branches, counters and branchless banking. Establishment of branches at remote areas and helps in mobilization of capital and economic development of such places. Likewise, it plays an important role by making investment in priority and deprived sector like agriculture, hydropower and tourism. In the same way, Agriculture Development Bank develop mutually acceptable relationship with government in pursuit of improvement in living standard in rural areas while respecting best financial practices. It plays an important role in creating employment opportunities by providing subsidy loan for agriculture and animal husbandry, and also promote youth entrepreneurship, female entrepreneurship and demotivate youth from migrating to foreign countries by providing loan at minimal rate for doing various kind of productive business at own country. It plays an important role in development of capital market of country through credit and investment. Similarly, it helps in minimization of underground banking and protect people from high charge of capital done through informal banking at rural areas. And lastly, it plays a very important role since its establishment by making investment in various sectors like agriculture, education, health, tourism, hydropower and other priority sectors. So these are some of the role played by Agriculture Development Bank in overall economic development of nation. Hope this video is useful for everyone, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel for other videos too. Thank you.